Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today, in this occasion, I would like presentation about my motivation letter to join internship to Gojek. So now, before I presentation about my motivation letter, let me introduce myself. My name is Bumi Farizki. I'm from IDN Boarding School Pamijahan, majoring di communication di visual communication design. So before that, so we move to the topic. So the first paragraph, I will introduce myself, like others. My name Bumi Farizki, my school, my major, and why I interest to join Gojek Design, because there is work, there is this illustration and this, and there are also my kontribusi, why I want contribution to Gojek. And the second paragraph, there are my skill and my how to say pengalaman experience when I school in IDN boarding school. There are where where's it?
Ada yang bersinggung communication visual design.
No. Wrong. This only my skills and what I learned in IDN boarding school. There are Adobe, Figma, and why my skill like design, typography, yes, and this my
Skill.
no. Selera what?
Selera.
Design test. So this and the third paragraph, there are my experience when I joined IDN boarding school. There are this vice president of the event division, maybe
Motivation.
4 months, and this my job when I become event division. There are create social media content, poster, even branding. Maybe I help if there are even in my school, like with TTS, podcast, and seminar, maybe if there are holiday or and the others lah. The main point, events in my school, me and my team help IDN for prepare event. So there are why I'm interested to join Gojek, because Gojek same like my design. I like illustration because then I want join to Gojek and this. The last paragraph is my
Motivation.
yes, my motivation become Gojek, and there are my goal also in here, and I hope Gojek accept my ini what motivation letter, so I can join intern to Gojek and I can become professional design. So
Okay. 5 minutes again.
oh
This is 6
my
minutes.
god.
Improve another skill maybe.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Corporate design.
So I not only can layout design and typography, but I can design poster. I can make web poster and web design. I can make apps design, and I also can become UX designer, not only UI designer. So hmm. So I'm not only learn about Adobe, but I learn Figma for UI design or UX design, and I learn Blender for 3D design. I learn Adobe, yes, Adobe for color grading video. I learn for Adobe for editing video and
What else?
what else?
Illustration.
So yes, Figma not only can make UI design or UX design, but can make illustration maybe, and you can make some banner or others. Figma is what software design important for a UI or UX designer, because in Figma you can design all but cannot video. So if you want to editing video or like color grading, you can use Adobe Photoshop, and if you want to design color grading photo, you can use Adobe
Ada
photo color grading Premiere iya Photoshop ya? Nah, Lightroom, and you can use also for video. You can use Adobe Premiere. I wrong before, not Adobe Photoshop, but Adobe Premiere. Is right? In when video Adobe what? After Effects. I forget, astagfirullah. And I learned Adobe After Effects for make my what sih? Motion graphic portfolio. So I learned Framer also for web designer and
What?
I also interest to become movie designer. What? Movie designer did what? No,
Director.
yeah, that lah. I want become a design professional because I know my parents entering me to Idean boarding school. There are many hope harapan. Oh yes, hoping to myself because Wah, anak pertama kan? Tes? Anak pertama kan? Anak pertama kan?
The first child.
Yeah, the start in my family. So
10 minutes.
10 minutes,
Yeah.
1 minute left.
Yeah.
So maybe that's all my motivation letter. So I'm sorry if I have
Conclusion first.
many mistakes. So the conclusion this
Yeah.
letter. Oh my god. So all my conclusion motivation letter is I want join Gojek for experience for my future rather, and maybe this if I can become designer professional later in the future. Maybe it's all from me. I'm sorry if I have many mistake in my language because I'm still learning here. My name is Bimete Fariski. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.